This week, Randy and I thought we'd come to the new Bridgepoint Active Healthcare Centre. This is one of the most important projects, not just in Toronto, but in Ontario. This is specifically designed to be the hospital of the future. A hospital that uses the power of architecture and design to promote human health. But don't take my word for it, let's go and have a look inside. So here we are in a typical room in the new Bridgepoint Hospital, and I think it pretty well sums up the big idea here, which is lots of light, lots of glass, and a big, strong sense of connection to the city beyond. The views here are fantastic. I'm looking west over Riverdale Park and to the city. Every room has a view like this one. But if you think this is something, come with me. We're going to talk to Marion Walsh. She is the CEO of Bridgepoint, the driving force behind this project. We're going to talk to her on the terrace on the 10th floor.
So the whole idea behind this building is, first of all, to provide state-of-the-art healthcare, all of the tools and technology we need, but also to create an environment that inspires health and wellness, inspires people to get back to active living, keeps them connected and feeling connected to the community, not locked away from it, and keeps their eyes focused on getting back there and getting back to active health and to active living. The glass exterior lightens the building as a massive presence on the valley, but it also creates light and airy spaces for patients, a seamless connection between the community and the hospital within, and between the hospital within and the community outside.
And the people who live in the neighborhood who aren't patients, I mean, they can walk through the site as well. I mean, it's designed with them in mind, in addition to the patients.
Absolutely. So the design is very deliberate. We believe strongly that healthcare needs to not just deliver sickness care, but contribute to the health of communities. We've got bikeways and pathways cutting through here. We're connecting South Riverdale for the very first time in 160 years back to the Don Valley, to Riverdale Park. And we're encouraging everybody to come and take advantage of the healing property, excuse the pun, but deliver the healing property of Bridgepoint Active Healthcare for their own active healthcare.
This is the new terrace on the west side of the building. The Don River is just down here, Riverdale Park ahead of me. Eventually, when this area is complete, a year and a half from now, there will be connections to the park and connections south to the city. This is the cafeteria. Chairs and tables will be out here when the weather's nice. A way for people to be a part of the neighborhood and a part of the city. And I think that if this is a model for what hospitals are going to be like in the future, then things look better than they have in a long time. For thestar.com, I'm Christopher Hume.